this what we call as center at point, isn't it? But this center at point, I mentioned that it is also called as transformation of axis, isn't it? If we say transformation, if you say transformation, what is transformation? Princess Ernst. In your own words, if you heard transformation, changing
Changing one
nothing.
one substance po.
Okay, okay, correct. In chemistry, there is no correct change of value, or yes, that is correct, Sarah. No, it is called as change of value, isn't it? In what else one? In increments, isn't it? If you say increments, there is increasing and decreasing. That's why it is called as change of value. So in transformation of axis, no, basically if we have a graph, for example, if we have a graph and the center is at the origin, isn't it? You could see that the equation doesn't have any values with their h and k, isn't it? So we could just only see x and y's. But if ever, no, if ever that you will be seeing in a equation of a circle that there is an h and there is an k, there is a k, no? So it means that the center of the circle is not in the origin. So therefore, this is what we call as transformation of axis. This is just a recula. If we say transformation of axis, why do we say that it is transformation of axis? Uh, for this one, this is our h, isn't it? And this is our k. All right. So our h would be, what is our h po? Denzel. Denzel. Are you here po? For those who are not opening their camera, ha, you should respond or I will be kicking you out. Denzel, are you here? Joey D. Is Joey D here already? Still not here. Just try to restart, ha. Tell to Joey D. Okay. Correct. Our H is 3, positive 3. And our K would be positive 3 as well. Why? Isn't it in the standard formula? No? Our standard formula would be R is equal to X minus H, isn't it? Squared. And we're going to add that one to Y minus K squared, isn't it? So in here, we could see that our H is positive. And our K is positive as well. Thus, this middle is our operation, isn't it? So the operation does not affect the values of H and K. Okay, so for example, our H would be negative. Therefore, the operation of subtraction will become addition. Okay, so if we have this H and K already, no, positive and negative, positive, all both positive, no, we have that coordinates. The coordinate of that center would be in here, isn't it? This is the center. Okay. So with that said, if we say the reason why we say it is transformation of axis is the reason of that one is because that from the center itself, okay, it produces a new axis itself. Okay. So in here, if you will be noticing, no, from the radius that you have, what is the radius of this equation of the circle? The radius of this one is Zyril. What will be the radius? Zyril. Zyril.
Is it 9 po ba?
Oh, our R, isn't it? R squared, I'm sorry. Our R, okay. Our R squared would be 9, okay? But our R, okay, our R would be, sorry. Our r squared is 9 and our r is, okay? Remember, this is our standard form. Okay, our standard formula for center at point. Now, if you will notice, um, Sir Jai, why did you say so that our standard formula would be this one? Okay, this formula B. Knowing that we have two. It's like, does it says that the formula B would be the basis of the formula A? Yes, it is. No? So we could say that if the center of our circle would be 0, of course, it will be automatically origin, isn't it? So that's the one that I'm saying. Now go back to our given. Our radius here is 3. No? So from your center, no, with your new axis, this will be your new axis, isn't it? Y, this is the x, isn't it? So if you're going to plot points, no, starting from your origin, that's the right way how to plot. Ha? Starting from the origin, you count 3. You should have at least the distance of 3. Okay, starting from the origin, you count 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is your endpoint. Also at your other side, 1, 2, 3. This is your endpoint. Okay. And to your y-axis as well, you should count 3. 1, 2, 3. This is your endpoint. As well as to the lower part of your new axis, which is 1, 2, 3. So this is your endpoint. So in other words, if you are going to make a circle of that one, the circle of yours will be just like this one. Okay? All right. So I just noticed that even we are at the second quarter already, no, there are still people who are being confused in plotting. Okay. So with that said, no, before we enter, no, this is the last continuation for circle, but this will be quick, ha. So I want you, no, I want you to have a piece of paper or notebook, no? Notebook, get your notebook and
Even po, don't affect the numbers.
alright. So going back that one before we go to our things. Alright. So for example, going back to this one. For example, this is the standard form. This is our standard now. From the standard form itself, I ask you, no, this is from the delta x, isn't it? Just that the value is different, isn't it? So from this x minus h, no, from the x variables, um, may I ask you what is our
Subtraction po.
subtraction? Okay, correct, ha? This is for this information for everyone, ha? If this is your operation, so therefore this is the subtraction only, isn't it? Now, if I will be giving you a number, no, if I will be giving you a number, Abigail, 5 minus 3. Okay, you're going to write 5 minus 3. What will be the answer? Of course,
2.
2. All right. So may I ask you, may I ask you, if this is our operation, if the two numbers that we have, are they positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Okay. So therefore, we could say that the x and h in here are positive. Okay. Positive. And this is a operation. Okay. Operation. Now, same goes by to y minus b. Okay. So operation in here is subtraction. Then both y and k is positive. Of course, all right. So, how will it happen? For example, over h, isn't it? It's positive h. Now, what if the value of, for example, the value of h in here would be 7. So, this quantity would be just like this, x, then your operation, 7, isn't it? Just substitute, isn't it? What if the 7 becomes negative? So, you just put negative like there, no? So, knowing that it is negative and you have the operation of subtraction, negative, 2 negative, this is the thing, even in senior high school, there is confusion. Like, if they saw negative sign in operation, for example, negative and subtraction, they thought that if you have same if you have same signs, no, most likely a subtraction, for example, 4 minus negative 3. Okay. So in that case, what would be the answer? Anyone? What would be the answer? Of course, the answer here. Alright, so the answer is 7. Oh, how it becomes 7, ha? In integers, no? We are critic with signs and operations, no? Because that's the one that they are they are falling to confusion, no? So if you saw just like this, no? Operation, then sign. What you will be doing in here is you turn it out as positive already. Okay? Because this is an operation. Just in case, for example, no, in this kind of example, 4 minus positive 3. Isn't it? It will become still 4 minus 3. Even though it will be 4 plus negative 3. What it will become? It will still become as 4 negative 3. What happens to the operation in science? Is it in multiplication and division of signs? Positive to positive, same signs, it will become positive. Different signs, it will become negative, isn't it? So, in this case, if you saw same signs, it will become positive. Okay? Gets already? Okay, so going back. So, how it will affect? From the signs of negative 7 and the operation, the x minus 7 will become positive. So the operation coming from the standard form will be affected. How about the others? Are you clear? You have your papers decided already. So let's try to answer something, ha. Let's try this one before we proceed, ha. So in here we are to find these this and we are going to graph. Okay. Alright. So in here, may I just ask, this is a kind of recall, but we are going to, so may I call on which among this linear with this equation of circle, what is our center? The equation we have in our circle, what would be our center? Oh, remember what is our standard form? The standard formula. R squared is equal to x minus h squared plus y minus a squared. What would be our center po? 0 and 3. Okay, 0 and 3. Oh, how did you say so, Chanel? How did you say so po? Because, you just tell if I will be asking you, this questions that I am throwing is just the basics one. Even though it is somewhat obvious, you just say it so that the others who cannot understand, they will cope with our level. Yes, one.
Because if we substitute po 0 in h po in x minus h squared, it will just be x po, and then the squared po will be put to x squared, making it x squared plus y minus 3 squared po.
So that's the one that I said at that time. So if we have x minus h, if we transpose the value of h as to 0, so it will come up with x minus 0 squared. So therefore, x minus 0. A number subtracted by 0 is the number, of course. So therefore, our center in here is 0 and 3, isn't it? Alright. Okay, so with this one, what is our radius po? Our radius in here, may I call on Ralph Rodrigora. Are you here? Please open your camera. Ralph. If you don't know, you just tell me, let's just be open here because we are here to learn. If you don't know, you will learn. But I will not be giving you this kind of pressure. Ralph, are you here po? Okay po ha. You come back if your presence is here in our class already. Okay. So let us call on Pauline. How about Pauline? Are you with us? Pauline? 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 Luna? This is the last call, Pauline. Nothing? Okay. We'll go back to my class. How about Lara? Lara, are you? Where do you are? What about now, Lara? Lara?
Sir.
Lara? Yes. Okay. So from the are you here with us? May you open your camera? Where do you open your camera? Okay. So from the equation of the circle, okay, our standard form is r squared equals x minus h squared plus quantity of y minus k squared. So from the given, no, what is our radius po? 62? Where did 62 comes from? Lara? Lara? That's correct. Ano 62 eh. So it is correct mo. Thank you, Lara. It is correct. So from the equation of the circle that we have, it's 0 to infinity. So if we are going to plot this one, because as I noticed, until now, there's a confusion with this one in plotting. This is our x, this is our y. What's our x? This is our x axis and this is our y axis. X, y. So if you're going to plot, read your coordinates, no? X going to the y. So x will be 0. So you're going to stay in here. But then you are going to go at the third part of y-axis. So where is the third part? In here. So your center will be at this point. Okay? So if this is your center, no? If this is your center, what is your radius? Center radius is 2. So coming from your center, no? This is your new axis, isn't it? This is your axis. Now, coming from your new axis, you're going to have the distance of 2, no? So from your center, you have the radius of 2. You're going to count 1, 2, okay? And this is your endpoint. And going to the upper part, 1, 2, this is your endpoint. And if we are going to our x-axis, we are going to count 1, 2, this is your endpoint. And going to the right, 1, 2. So this is your endpoint. So if we are going to graph it that one, no? We could have this circle. Okay? Are we clear? May I see everyone please open your camera? Can you show your paper and pencil, paper and ball pen po? Sige po. Okay. Nat has sabot mo kay Minard, Cyril, Gab, Francis R. So, do that you have, ha? Okay, so, what I want you to do is, this will be a freehand, okay? Freehand only. You now know how to graph a circle, isn't it? Okay, so I want you to make a partition plane. Okay, partition plane, ha? Be generous enough in using partition plane. Okay. So, after to draw a perfect circle, no? Draw a perfect circle. So, it's up to you. How are you going to make your perfect circle? Okay? So, let me see, ha? Type done in the comment section if you are done. So, let us see. It's up to you. Make it in a unique way. Unique way, ha? Unique way. Make a perfect circle, no? In a unique way. If you are done, type in the comment section. Or raise your hand. No? Ayun na lang. Please press the Google Meet raise hand button if you are done already. Ha? Sige. I'll be giving you 3 minutes, no? Starting right now. So I'll be checking at 1:12. Okay, perfect circle. If you are done, kindly press the raise hand button. Alright, so afterwards, I will be asking or checking your perfect circle. No? So, and I will be asking you, like, how did you do it? Okay. Don't need to worry about if you're going to use something else, no? It's up to you. How are you going to in a unique way? Okay. Let me see, ha? Ready? Let us see. Excuse me po. Yes po, please be quick, ha? Done already? Okay. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Some other sections, they really use, no, things, no, in order for them to draw the perfect circle in a unique way. So may I know, no, in your parts, what did you use? It's 10:11. So 1 minute left. Afterwards, let me, if you're done, please press the raise hand button, ha? Don't be shy, no? Don't be shy if your circle seems to be a triangle. So let me see. Sige. Yes po, perfect circle. Not just circle, perfect circle. As you define what is a perfect circle, of course, I will be requiring, no, those students who are not opening their camera. I will be requiring you to open your camera, just in order for me to check your work as well. Yes po. Anyone who's done already? Okay, it's time already. 1:12 already. Let me see your work. Carl, you're done. Leal, you're done. If you are done, please press raise hand button. Do you have already, Carl? Let me please let us show. Let us see your work po.
Me first?
Yes
Sir?
po. Of course, the contestants in the Mr. and Miss BBQS.
I don't know if you can see first, sir. Can you see ba?
I can see it. Now, circle. What did you do in order for you to have a perfect circle?
Ano po, I followed the guidance lang po. Because since the notebook has, guidance po, I used it as a guidance for the circle po.
Okay, good. Alright, so I want you to press the raise hand button, card, and don't lower it down. Press that so that I will know to are done. Alright, so followed by Gavero. Carl, please press the raise hand button so that I will know. Gavero. Gavero here. Gavero is not here. Okay, sige po. So let's follow with Carl, Kevin. Please remove your background so that we will be able to see that. Sige po. A, be proud with your drawing, ha. That's your art. That could work at 10 tons, no? Sige po. That is your circle. What did you do in order for you to have a perfect circle? What's that, fork? Is that a fork? Sige. So unique, Sige. Sige. Thank you. Please press your raise hand button. Alright, so how about Sarah? Sarah Matias po. Okay, perfect circle nga naman talaga. What did you use? So, alright, so, okay, glass of water. Sige po. Please raise your hand. Sige. How about Akira? Uy, what did you use?
Sir, dapat po ba may gamitin? Sir, wala po akong ginamit.
Wala kang ginamit. How did you make the perfect circle? Only hand?
Yes po.
Naksa. Sige. Please press your raise hand button. How about Bernadette? Yeah. This could be your NFT. NFT. Sige. You think I don't know that one, Sige. Let me see. Nox, may shade ka. Yun nga naman. What did you use?
Nothing po. I just drew it as well.
Let me see you again. Let me see your circle again. I think it was ready like 3 weeks ago. No, I'm just...
Sir, na yung lang ito ginawa.
You just sketched that one. Okay, please press the raise hand button. How about Joshua Dave?
Ha? Ay, po? Ay.
I'm not your friend, okay?
Ito po.
Where's your perfect circle? Yun, bongga. Alright, what did you do? Ah,
Ano po? Protractor.
protractor. Alright, sige. Please press your raise hand button. Josh, how about Eric Jacob? Okay. What did you use?
I use scotch tape po.
Scotch tape. How big is your scotch tape? It seems like too big. Okay. Correct. Sige. Sige. Please press your raise hand button. How about Enzo?
Here po.
What did you use?
Dasal po. De joke. Protractor po.
Protractor. Sige pa. Alright. So, it seems like all of you are using protractor. Oh, this is the one ha. Who are those students who use protractor? Please please press the raise hand button if you are one of those students who use protractor. Don't be shy ha. Don't be. For those who are raising their hand a while ago, don't lower down your hand ha. Akila yan. How about the others? I will notice naman if there will be added. Okay. Moira. Who else aside from Moira? Who uses protractor? Press raise hand button ha. No one? Sige po. If no one, let us see the work of Carl. Justin. I think I know what did you do in order for you to have plate. See, that's a saucer. See, that's nice. Sige po. Alright, so please press your raise hand button. How about Gab? Oh, okay. What did you do? Sige. Canister. Nakakataas canister. Sige po ha. How about Nathaniel? We cannot see that one if you have background. Okay, Joseph. Alright, what did you do? Okay. Please raise your hand button. How about Aldea?
Tape also, sir.
Tape. Okay, sige po. Alright. Okay, please press your raise hand button. How about Regina? Anna? What did you use in order for you to have perfect circle?
Sir, just use the guidelines when plotting po.
Sige po. Nice. Please press the raise hand button. How about Jake? Let us see your work. Okay, what did you use? Sige. Talino Sige. How about, please raise your hand button po. How about Luis? Please let me see.
Ano po ulit, sir? Ano po ulit?
Did you just enter right now?
Yung circle po, di ba?
Yes po.
Ano lang po normal lang po yung ginawa ka, sir. Ganito lang po.
Yabang normal What did you use? What did you do? Circle.
Bilog lang po, sir. Tapos, nilagyan ko po muna ng parang pa-cross na line, yung katulad po sa
So, thank you. Please press your raise hand button. How about, let's try how about Eric and Carl Justin? I'm not yet calling you
Sir, I did with the plate po.
Oo nga pala. How about Eric Jacob po? Eric? Jacob? Eric? Scotch tape po yan. That's one. Because, the one, sometimes I'm just basing you from the camera. Sige. How about Maynard? Let me see your circle. Where? Okay. What did you use? Sobrang lapit naman, Marlon. Okay. Princess. Okay. How about Antoinette? Yes po. It's in a blurred camera. You have the effect. Sige. What did you use? Antoinette. Seems like so perfect, Antoinette.
Thank po, sir.
Okay. How about Princess? Instead. Makapasok kayo, Sige. How about, what's the other one? Marlon.
Battle, sir.
Button. Sige. Please press your raise hand button. The three of you, ha? How about Gian, Kate, and Pau? I don't want to see piatos, Okay, perfect circles. Pawi, what did you do? Okay. Gian, sige po.
Small container po.
Okay, how about Kate?
Lagayan, sir, ng gamot.
Okay, sige. How about, how about Francis, Carlo? Okay, too perfect. Seems like it's done already. What did you use?
Lalagyan po.
Sige po, please raise your hand already. How about Zyril and Chanel? Okay. Chanel. Okay. Merong sayad. Sa plates, bawal yan, ha? No, sige. What did you use, Chanel?
Sir, sa likod dyan, sir, wala yung ano.
What
Likod
did
dyan,
you
sir,
use?
talaga. Look. Tadan!
What did you use?
Tape po, sir.
Okay. How about Zyril?
Myers po and inikot ko lang po yung notebook.
Okay. How about Madeline? Madeline and Sarah. Okay. What did you use, Madeline?
I use po pencil organizer po.
Again? Divider. Sige. Please raise your hand button already. As well as Chanel, Sarah, how about you? What did you use?
Barya po, sir.
Sige. Alright, so please press your raise hand button, ha? Let's have, how about Lara?
Takip po ng container, sir.
Hindi ko makita. I cannot see your work. Cannot see your work, Lara. Please open your camera. Lara. Camera is not yet open, ha? Lara. "10A, is Lara's camera open? Not. Not. Lara. Lara, please open your camera.
Sir,
So that we will finish it. So that we will finish this work already. It's so basic, isn't it? What? Lara? Where's your work? Sige nga. Okay. What did you use? What did you do? Sige. How about, yan. You did raise your hand. How about Neil? Neil? Neil?
What is the question po?
Where's your work?
Not
Not yet done since a while ago,
I'm confused.
You're confused in making circle? My God,
It's done po.
what if this is the exam already? Sige po, how about Tabitha? You're not yet done, I will not be accepting your work. How about Tabitha? Maria?
Sir, wait po. Wait.
How about Renz Santos? What did you use, Renz? Okay, sige po. Please press your raise hand button. How about Carl Justin? You're done already?
Yes po.
Please press your raise hand button since a while ago. How about Neil? Versus? Done already? Not yet? Not yet. What?
Done
How about Troy? Banyares?
This one po, sir.
Banyares?
This one po.
There you go. What did you use?
I just use a small bucket, sir.
Sige. Alright, so please press your raise hand button. How about Adrian?
Sir.
Loading. Once again, please let me see. Please let me see. What did you use?
Kaya ng ballpen, sir.
Ano ballpen? Sige. So we do have two, no? Two last students. Alright, so this is the thing. Since a while ago, I'm telling this one already, no? And I just take a screenshot now. I just took a screenshot for those who did show their work and who answered, no? Alright, so this is the thing. Everyone, please lower down your hand. All of you. Now. Lower down your hands. So this is the thing. Is your camera beside you? Your phone? Alright, so I want you to write your name in that paper, gradient section, no, and the date, and put it as activity number 1. Okay? So we only have 10 minutes, Alright, so while you are doing that one, everyone. So this is from the presentation itself. I will be presenting these three givens. No, these three givens will be a take-home sheet work, which you need to pass later. Ha? Okay. So this three givens, you will be answering this one. You need to find the center, radius, and the graph. So this is 5 points each. No, and I should see the given, the formula, center, radius, then the graph. Okay, as usual. So this is the given. Okay? It's the given. So I want you to take a screenshot for this one. Okay? So I'll be sending this picture in our GC po. Okay? Wala tayong sisihan. So easy, isn't it? So that is just my instruction. So these are the people, ha? Okay. And if you want to take an activity number 1, just tell me, ha? You leave a message. Now, where are you going to send that activity number 1, ha? So later I will be posting already, no? Posting already a section for the Google Classroom, and you should post it there. Okay? All right. So we know who are those people who participate in our class, no? Okay, in our GC. All right. So for those people who are done, please take a screenshot of this one, and this is your take-home sheet work, ha? All right. So this take-home sheet work, I will be waiting this one up until 5 p.m. only. And where are you going to send this one? You're going to send this one, yes, 5 p.m. ha? So you are going to send that one via PM, my messenger, ha? Not my main account. My profile, which has this kind of signature. Okay? All right. So you are going to pass that one, name, grade section, the date. Okay? Don't